Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video I am gonna be sharing with you some most amazing and stunning crochet lace doilies and table placements. You will see round shape lace doilies in this video. All of these designing ideas are having different types of crochet stitches used in them, but most of the designing ideas are having double crochet stitch as major stitch used in them. And many of the tutorial videos of different kind of lace doilies and solid patterns of lace doilies are available on my channel already. You can see granny round table placement, you can see crochet spiral lace doily, other different lace doilies and costers tutorial available on my channel. So other than ideas videos, if you are interested in seeing the tutorial videos of different types of crochet lace doilies and other crochet projects, then just visit my channel and get the tutorial videos and ideas videos of different crochet projects. So just stay connected and get different types of crochet videos on this channel, and press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon to get notifications of future uploads. You can just take ideas from this video of different crochet patterns and designing, and you can take idea about the color scheme of lace doilies also. So you can just make them by taking a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it in any of the size with the same pattern. You can also make a smaller sized coaster with them, a 6 set for table placement in round shape, which can be used for dining placements, and with 6 smaller coasters. So you can make them and you can use them in your home. So I hope you're gonna love them all and you would definitely give them a try for your home decoration, because these things will also add new and attractive look to your home decoration. So just give them a try and share your opinion in the comment box if you love them. And if you are interested in any specific tutorial video or idea video which is not available on my channel, you can just let me know. I will make tutorial videos and ideas videos on your request too. So just stay connected and share this video with other crochet lovers in your circle also, so that they can also get benefit from these type of videos. So if you are a crochet worker or beginner of crochet work, you can take help from this channel. But if you are not a crocheter, you can just purchase these type of lace doilies from different websites like Amazon or Etsy.com also, if you are interested in purchasing them. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.